All right, so this video is going to help you set up so you can do a vlog. You can video yourself and post videos on YouTube. So I'm going to take you through some of the basics of doing that. Okay, so right now, just so you can see what's going on, is that I have no microphone on me right now. No lapel mic, no overhead shotgun mic. The mic that you're hearing me from is right there on the camera about 4.5 feet away from me. And so you're hearing probably a little bit of echo, a little bit of room noise. You can hear the waterfall in the background, probably through the open window back there. And so that's how you're hearing it. Now, I have sort of a plain background here. So this is sort of a no background, pleasant. It's a sort of a good background you can use. Bright chair here, you know, something just to set off your sort of environment around you. If you're going to be, you know, doing it in your office, use office equipment that would set you up as to you're an authority in your space. All right. Now, the other piece is you have your lapel microphone. Now, you can get these on Amazon for probably $29. I think that's what this cost me. You're not going to find them really at Best Buy or Fry's, so you just want to buy it online on Amazon. A good lapel mic, and get that set up. Now you can put the lapel mic just right there, pop it on. Now, what I have here is I have the, this is an iPhone 7, and good, you know, iPhone 6, 7, 8, any of those will be just fine. Now, your lapel mic is going to come with the regular, what you call it, the three-prong jack. When you get your iPhone, you're going to get a connector here that's you're going to need to use. Pop it on there, and then you'll plug it in to your iPhone. So while I'm shooting it on this camera, just to show you this example, your phone here is going to be what you use to shoot most of your everyday or every week vlog, YouTube video, informational, educational videos that you're going to shoot, whether it be a minute long or 5 minutes long, to share information with your patients and clients. So you plug this into the side of your phone. Get that plugged in. You want to get a tripod. There's many different types. Again, the tripod that'll hold the phone. This will be on Amazon. Anything from $20 to probably $50 or even $75. You have the Gorilla kind that you can move with the legs around a lot. Any of these will work. You set them up on your desktop here. You get a little. You can set them up on a desk in front of you. Now, here's some important information. So I have a light here. This light, simple office light. You can buy another light on Amazon again for like a $90, $129. That'll be a video light. You can get that, but really any light source here should be good enough to get you started as a you know, we're getting this going. We don't need all the professional equipment yet. We can upgrade as we go. But a simple light here. I have open windows in front of me about 15 feet away, giving me a natural light source. Natural light, and shooting this you know, during the day is always your best natural light. So have a natural light source if there are no windows behind you. Okay, you want a natural light source hitting you here up front, and then coming at you here. So if you're in your office, make sure there's windows here up in front of you, and then have, you know, a highlight light here just to help out, get you lit. Okay. Now I'm going to switch over. And now I'm plugged in, I'm wired in. You can take this and you can feed this through your shirt if you want to get the wire out of the way. All right, so now here I'm on the iPhone. This now is getting a clean recording. I'm right here with you, okay? So, importance of getting that lapel mic, using that when you do your videos and having it plugged in to your phone, using that adapter that comes with your phone. Now, a few basics here. I'm going to show you, look at my eyes. So now I'm going to look at the screen. So now I'm looking at the screen of my phone. Okay, so you have it so you can see yourself in the phone. And you can reverse it so that you're seeing yourself and recording yourself. Now, the camera on the phone is actually right over here. So I'm going to now look at the camera. Make sure you know where the camera is. And when you're doing your videos, don't get distracted by looking at yourself. This is all just so you can frame yourself. So now you look at the camera and talk at the camera when you're delivering your message to your audience. But just have the camera set up so you can see yourself in the frame, just to frame yourself. Once you've framed yourself and you know you're here, then you start your video by looking at the camera. Now, a point on framing. Okay, so now, in framing and basic Hollywood technique is the law of thirds, okay? So now, if you were to cut your screen into thirds, okay? You have this upper third, second third, and bottom third. You want your eyes to be right about here, okay? So you want the top of your head to be in this upper third. You also want your head not quite right here at the top. You want a little tiny space right there at the edge. You can be right up there, okay, but not particularly cut off so it cuts you in the forehead. So you want your head right up there, a little space, and then you want here. You want to have some space here in case you want to put maybe some content here, some words, or share a picture. So give yourself a little bit in this third to put something there if you needed it. You don't have to do it. Okay, backgrounds. You notice the background here is a simple, nice barnwood wall. Keep it clean. There's some depth there so it separates me from the wall. I have that light I showed you right here. So it just highlights me so you know, okay, good, I'm the one talking and delivering my message. Okay, so there's your framing. You got your microphone. You see how much I'm putting around me here. I'm comfortably here, close enough to the screen, to the camera, so that you're getting my communication. This is just about right. All right, now scripting. Let's talk about that. You don't want to have notes right in front of you while you're talking. That's going to be incredibly distracting. You're going to want to constantly look down and go, okay, what am I supposed to say next? What am I supposed to say next? It's going to distract you and actually make it difficult. You want to work out an outline of what you want to deliver in about a 30-second to 3-minute video. Okay, so you want to do an informational video to educate your clients, your patients about what you want to talk about. Some new product you have, some service you have, why it's important to do this or that, how do you do a certain thing, all these kind of things you could talk about. You want to work out your outline, maybe have four bullet points of what you're going to talk about. Have it there, go through it to a mirror, just make sure you got it. You can have it near you, and you could have some bullets, but don't distract yourself by having it right there. And even hanging it beside the camera, also, it's going to constantly make it awkward, like you're looking away at it. So just figure out what you want to say in a short amount of time and then have it down. Okay, now the sequence of delivery of your video, there's some basic practices that are the acceptable way to go. You have an intro, then you have what they call a logo sting, or where your logo comes on, and then you have the meat of what you're going to describe or talk about, and then you have the wrap up.